Former Public Works Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo is now seeking entry into the government's Witness Protection Program. Joash Malimban is at the Justice Department for the details. Hi, Joash, go ahead.
My former DPWH Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo is now at the Department of Justice for the evaluation of his sworn affidavit and his application to the Witness Protection Program. Yusek Bernardo earlier dropped the bombshell revelations at the Senate after appearing for the first time in the Blue Ribbon Committee. Bernardo implicated three incumbent and former senators named Cheese Escudero, Bong Revilla, and Nancy Binay as officials who allegedly received kickbacks from DPWH projects. As of now, three former DPWH officials and the Discaya couple are now considered as protected witnesses under the Witness Protection Program. Justice Secretary Boying Remulla, however, clarified that this is not the same as being admitted as a state witness. The same process will be undertaken on Yusek Bernardo. However, Secretary Remulla said when they arrived here earlier that he is already considered as a protected witness and that security will be given to him already. And we'll keep you posted, Mai, as to whatever the results of the evaluation will be this afternoon before they go back to the Senate. Mai.
George, just a quick clarification kasi marami ang nagulat dito sa inclusion ng mga Discaya sa Witness Protection Program. Are you saying the government will provide protection to the couple pero makakasuhan din ba sila?
May magandang clarification niya na sinabi rin ni Secretary Remulla kanina sa Blue Ribbon Committee hearing. Sinabi niya, Witness Protection Program does not automatically mean na hindi makakasuhan itong mga ma-admit dito as protected witnesses. So magkaiba yung protected witness sa isang state witness. So protected witness meaning mas mag-focus ito doon sa security and protection ng mga witnesses. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nito na hindi na sila makakasama doon sa mga ihahain na charges. Meanwhile, yung pagiging isang state witness, kailangan ma-discharge ka muna doon sa kasong isasampa sa iyo bago ka maituring o ma-qualify as a state witness. And of course, kasama doon, ine-emphasize ni Secretary Remulla na dapat ang ma-discharge bilang isang state witness ay hindi most guilty. Mine.
Thank you. Maganda na malinaw yan. Maraming salamat, Joash Malimban, reporting to us from the DOJ.